Welcome. If you're looking to control when Facebook can use your camera, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to set Facebook to always ask for camera permission before it turns on, giving you more privacy and control over your device. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you can manage all your apps and their permissions. Once you're in settings, scroll down and look for either Apps or App Management. The name might be slightly different depending on your phone, but it's usually easy to spot. Tap on it to open the list of all your installed apps. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the Facebook app. Once you see it, tap on Facebook to open its settings. Inside the Facebook app settings, look for the option labeled Permissions. This is where you control what Facebook can access on your device. Tap on Permissions to continue. You'll see a list of different permissions, like contacts, location, and camera. Find and tap on Camera. Here's the important part. You'll see several options for camera access. Choose Ask Every Time. This means whenever Facebook wants to use your camera, whether for posting photos, making video calls, or recording stories, you'll get a prompt asking for your permission first. That's it. You've now set Facebook to ask every time before using your camera. This simple change gives you more control over your privacy and ensures you're never caught off guard by unexpected camera access. If you ever want to adjust these settings, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching and enjoy a safer, more private Facebook experience.